Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. You know I'm making regular videos on career orientation, quantum computing related videos and doing podcasts with international experts. Today I'm going to discuss about the job opportunity that is going to come to all of you because of this Vizag data center being opened by Google in the year 2029. So by seeing this particular video, you will acquire the knowledge of the entire planning which you have to do to get a good job in this particular data center, what kind of courses you have to do, what kind of certifications you have to do to be ready for this job opportunity. If you are a student from B.Tech, M.Tech, diploma, or even someone who is looking for a career switch into tech industry, this video is made for you. We are going to talk about one of the biggest upcoming opportunities, data center jobs in Vizag. Visakhapatnam or Vizag is slowly transforming into India's next digital infrastructure powerhouse. And what's coming up here in the next few years could completely change your career path. In the next 20 minutes, I will explain everything you need to know what a data center actually is, what kind of jobs will open in Vizag, what skills and certifications you should start learning right now, and how to prepare step by step so that you will be job ready when these opportunities launch. Grab a notebook because this is going to be your complete career roadmap to enter one of the stable, high growth tech industries in the world, the data center industry. Why Vizag? You might be wondering, why is everyone talking about Vizag? Here's the reason. Vizag has everything a modern data center region needs. It is located on India's east coast and directly connected to international submarine cables, which means fast data transfer to other countries. It also has strong power infrastructure, availability of renewable energy, and it is part of India's smart city development program. So in recent years, we have seen data centers rise in Mumbai, Hyderabad, and Chennai. And now all eyes are on Mumbai. It's already being planned as a future data hub with multiple companies showing interest in building sustainable and AI powered data centers. That means thousands of new jobs, not only for IT professionals, but also for electrical, mechanical, and civil engineers will also come. So if you are still in college or just starting your career, a golden window of a few years to prepare yourself and be part of this future workforce. And be part of this future workforce. First of all, let me explain you what is data center. Let's make this very simple. A data center is a large building that stores and processes data. All the apps you use, YouTube, ChatGPT, Gmail, banking apps, or online classes, they run from servers inside data center. Think of data center as the heart of the internet. If it stops working, millions of websites go offline. Inside a data center, there are thousands of computers, storage units, network cables, cooling systems, and backup power supplies, all managed by skilled engineers who make sure everything runs smoothly every single second. Now, data centers are not just about IT. They bring together knowledge from computer science, electronics, electrical, and mechanical engineering. No matter which branch you are from, there's a role for you. Now, my task is to tell you all what jobs exist in data centers. There are many career paths inside a data center. Let me explain few of the important ones. Let us say, first job, data center technician. Mainly, this category of job looks after the physical servers. So if you are a data center technician, you are going to take care of physical servers. You are going to replace hard drives, install cables, monitor temperatures, and ensure uptime. There is another role in data center called as network engineer. As a network engineer, you are going to design and maintain the connection that allows data to move between servers and the internet. So we are going to configure routers, switches, and firewalls. There is one another job role called as cloud operation engineer. As a cloud operation engineer, you will be managing the cloud layer. Let it be Azure, AWS, or Google Cloud, mainly to deploy applications and keep services available. The other role is cybersecurity analyst. You are going to ensure as a cybersecurity analyst, the data is protected from threats, hackers, and breaches. There is another role called as facilities engineer. You are going to work on the power systems, UPS, and cooling infrastructure, keeping energy use low and systems stable. And there are automation and AI engineers who use coding and machine learning to automate repetitive tasks and predict failures before they happen. As you see, every background, computer science, electronics, electrical, or mechanical, can find a place in this industry. Skills you have to acquire. This is very important part of this video. Very carefully you have to listen. See, first you build your fundamentals. You must understand networking basics. What is an IP address, DNS, VPN, virtual private network, and how data moves between systems. Now itself start learning Linux, because almost all servers in data center run on Linux. Learn how to use the command line, install packages, and troubleshoot. You can find beginner Linux tutorials for free on platforms like YouTube or Udemy. Step 2 is learn about cloud computing. That is very essential not only for this data center job. You go wherever they require cloud computing knowledge. The world is moving toward the cloud, as you all know, and data centers are the foundation of it. Pick one major cloud platform. It can be Microsoft Azure, Amazon Web Services, or Google Cloud. Each of them will give you beginner certification. For example, you take Azure Fundamentals AZ900. I will share the links in the comment section. You do AWS Cloud Practitioner, or since it is Google Data Center, it is always Google Cloud Digital Leader. These courses are easy to understand and designed for students with no experience. Once you pass one of these certifications, your resume immediately stands out. The next step is learn about security and networking in depth. You take certifications like CCNA from Cisco or CompTIA networks. For security, you try SC900 or CompTIA Security Plus. These will teach you how to build and protect network systems, which is a crucial skill for any data center engineer. Learn automation and scripting. Modern data centers are not managed manually anymore. They use automation tools like Ansible, Terraform, and scripting languages like Python, Bash, or PowerShell. If you learn to automate repetitive tasks, you will become highly valuable to employers. Next step is you have to do hands-on practice. You don't need expensive equipment. You don't need expensive equipment to practice. Use all free student accounts available on Azure, AWS, and Google Cloud. Create virtual machines. Deploy small web applications. Connect networks and experiment. Practical learning is what will set you apart from others. And finally, what I want to say is you work on your communication and documentation skills. Every engineer must be able to write clearly, explain issues, and document solutions. So these soft skills are often more important than you think. What will be your certification part? I will summarize. Start with basic IT skills like Linux, networking, and cloud fundamentals. Then move to the certifications like AZ900 or AWS Cloud Practitioner, CCNA or CompTIA Network Plus, Security Plus, or Microsoft SC900. You also do, if possible, Azure Administrator course called as AZ104 or AWS SysOps Administrator, right? If possible, you do Terraform Associate or Ansible Automation, Google Data Center Technician Training, or Uptime Institute certification if available. You don't have to do all of them, but completing even 3 or 4 of these along with some hands-on experience will make you job ready for 2029. Salary and career growth, that also I have to tell. I have surveyed a lot and then I am making this video. At the entry level, data center technicians or support engineers can earn between 4 to 7 lakh rupees per year as per Indian currency. Mid-level roles like cloud engineers and network specialists, they can earn around 8 to 15 lakhs. And advanced roles like data center operations manager or architects can go beyond 20 lakh rupees annually. So these jobs can become more attractive because you are getting global exposure. Many engineers working in data centers collaborate with teams in US, Singapore, and Europe. If you build career in this domain, you open doors to international opportunities as well. So what can be the Vizag's future vision? As per my analysis, Vizag aims to become South Asia's most sustainable data city. That means renewable energy power data centers, AI-driven cooling systems, and infrastructure projects that will need thousands of engineers. Whoever are there across the India, right? Partner you can partner with tech companies for training programs. If you start preparing now, learning cloud, automation, and networking, you will be among the first generation of engineers and operate these advanced facilities. This is not just getting you a job, but building your foundation for the future jobs if you want to shift, right? My final words are, every student who is watching this, don't wait until you graduate to start learning. The future belongs to those who prepare early. Even if you spend just 1 hour every day learning cloud concepts or practicing network labs, in 1 year, you will be ahead of most people. And by the time Vizag data centers start operations, you will already have the skills they need. Remember this, data center is the new electricity and data centers are the power stations that keep our digital world alive. The engineer who understands how to build, manage, and protect these centers will be the leaders of tomorrow's tech industry. So you start today, learn, experiment, and grow. Your future in data center world begins now. If you really find this particular video useful, make sure to hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe for more career focused guides. Thank you all. Wish you all the best. Happy learning. Thank you.